This week, you branded cartels and criminal organizations as foreign terrorist organizations, including TDA. You've been tracking TDA since the Senate, right?
Yes.
Does this foreign terrorist organization designation unlock new diplomatic tools?
Well, not just new diplomatic tools, new economic ones as well, because it basically doesn't allow anyone to have any sort of commercial relationship with these groups. And all of these gangs have to operate by touching the banking system, by being able to buy, and in many cases by having business partnerships, whether it's a warehouse they're renting in the US to distribute guns or distribute drugs, whether it's someone who's actually helping them launder money from what they're making. In some cases, these guys set up their own companies as shell companies to hide their profits and be able to distribute the funds they have. So it's going to be very helpful. But just naming them and understanding that they're a problem. Tren de Aragua, TDA, is a group I follow. That was a prison gang in Venezuela. The Venezuelan regime sort of pushed them out of the country. They terrorized Peru, they terrorized Ecuador, they terrorized all kinds of countries, and they worked their way up the migration path into the United States. And I've been warning about them now for a year and a half. I think I might have been the first member of Congress, maybe of the US government, to actually identify them by name. And I was being told that that wasn't true, that they didn't exist. Now we do know that they exist. They run human trafficking operations. They actually target Venezuelan migrant communities. We've seen them take control of apartment buildings in Colorado. And now they're being deported, and being deported because they're identified with that organization. So I think those designations are important, and it gives us a valuable tool to cut off any partnerships they may have, not just with US nationals, but any other businesses or individuals around the world that are assisting them in what they're doing. And it's not just a gang, it's the drug trafficking organizations that operate out of Mexico too.